Not enough is said about how good this fluffy yogurt and orange cake is. Look at this beauty. You can make it at home with no effort at all. I'll tell you all the tricks. It's so good. And my signature touch, it's super fluffy. What more could you want? Pure perfection. First ingredient. We need 2 oranges, and we're gonna start preparing them. We need the zest from one of them, if they're big, or from both if you really like it a lot. And then the juice from both oranges is about a glass. So here we go. Next ingredient, eggs, 4 large eggs. Here they go. Into a large bowl where the magic is going to happen. We add sugar, 150 grams. If you don't like it too sweet, 100 is enough. Of course, brown sugar, panela, whatever you want. We beat it. Even with artificial sweetener, it works. Add that zest you had set aside earlier. And add 125 grams of Greek yogurt, super creamy. Besides this yogurt, we're also going to add orange juice, or whatever you call it in your country. Tell me in the comments. We had it set aside over there. And we almost have the mixture ready, just a little bit left. The question that always comes up inevitably, can I make this cake with other fruits? Of course, it works great with any citrus fruit. You can use lemon, you can use tangerine, you can mix lemon and orange, which also turns out amazing. It's up to you. Let's go. Sunflower oil, 150 milliliters. And if you don't want to use sunflower oil and prefer to use olive oil because you like it more, no problem. Use a mild olive oil so it doesn't have too strong a flavor and overpower the orange. Flour, 220 grams of flour. Sift it so it turns out super fluffy. That's the trick. We're also going to use baking powder. We add it as well, and sift it together with the flour. Go for it. And now, use an electric mixer and mix until it looks this nice. Then take a mold and grease it with butter. I chose a bundt pan, but you can choose whichever you want. Don't worry, it'll turn out the same. With a small mold, you'll get a tall, super good cake. Bake for 40 minutes at 180 degrees, which is 357 degrees Fahrenheit. And in the end, you'll have it looking this good. Look. Wow. It looks amazing. Let it cool before removing from the mold. And let's dig in. Riz-raz. Here's a fantastic fluffy orange and yogurt sponge cake that takes just 5 minutes of work and gives amazing results. Wonderful. Perfect for breakfast, for a snack, for a little treat, for whatever you want. I'll show you the inside so you can see the crumb. Spectacular! The truth is, this sponge cake is truly wonderful. Riz-raz, who can top that? Fluffy! Full of flavor. Look how it
moves, look! Hey Spencer, look! 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 Spencer! Look, it's moving! Spencer, 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 Spencer.